In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to split a transaction in Xero. If you need to divide one bank transaction across more than one item during reconciliation, Xero makes that process simple once you know where to look. This is especially useful when a single payment or deposit relates to multiple transactions and you want your records to stay accurate and organized. To get started, open your Xero dashboard from the top menu. Select Accounting. A drop-down menu will appear, and from there, choose Bank Accounts. Once you're on the Bank Accounts page, click Reconcile for the account you're working on. This will take you into the reconciliation screen, where you can review imported bank transactions and match them correctly. Next, find the bank transaction you want to split. Take a moment here to make sure you've selected the correct line. Since splitting should only be done on the transaction that needs to be allocated between multiple items, being careful at this stage helps avoid mistakes and keeps your reconciliation clean. Once you've located the transaction, click Find and Match. This opens the matching window where Xero shows you possible transactions that can be linked to the bank entry. Here, you will be able to choose the item that should receive part of the transaction amount. Select the item you want to match. After that, click the blue Split button. This is the key step that allows you to divide the transaction instead of applying the full amount to a single item. When the split option appears, type in the amount you want to allocate to that selected item. Make sure the amount entered reflects the exact portion that belongs there. After entering the amount, click Split again to confirm it. Xero will then apply that portion of the bank transaction to the selected item, allowing the remaining amount to be matched separately if needed. This helps ensure that each part of the transaction is assigned correctly and that your records reflect what actually happened. As you work through this, it's a good idea to double-check the amounts before confirming the split. Even a small difference can affect your reconciliation later. So accuracy matters. If you're handling transactions that cover several invoices, bills, or categories, using the split function can save time and reduce manual corrections. That's all to it. Thanks for watching.